Welcome to Lesson 1 on File Management, where we will cover creating folders and saving files. By the end of this video, you will be able to define files and folders, create new folders, save documents using Save and Save As, locate saved files, and explain the importance of file organization. A file is a collection of data stored on a computer with a name and extension, such as myresult.docx. The file extension, the part after the dot, tells the computer the type of file it is. A folder or directory is a container that holds files and other folders. Folders help organize your work, separating different types of files, much like using different exercise books for different subjects. To create a folder, right-click on the desktop or in File Explorer, select New and then Folder. Type the folder name, like JSS1 Classwork, and press Enter. Double-click to open it. Always save your work to avoid losing it. Save, Ctrl+S, keeps the current file name and location. Use Save As, Ctrl+Shift+S to choose a new name or a specific folder for your file. To save as, open Microsoft Word and type some text. Press Ctrl+Shift+S or go to File and select Save As. Choose your folder, type the file name, and click Save. File Explorer is the Windows tool for browsing files and folders. You can open it by pressing the Windows key +E or clicking the folder icon on the taskbar. Here you can see all your drives and folders. For your assignment, create a folder structure on your desktop for your subjects. Inside the Computer Studies folder, save a paragraph about your favorite hobby as hobby.txt in Notepad. Finally, describe your steps in your exercise book. A key cybersafety tip: never open a file sent by an unknown person, such as via email or WhatsApp, without first checking with an adult. Files from unknown sources can contain viruses.